Okay, welcome. I'm here again, episode number 20, combination. I'm sure at this point you have checked all the aspects or the various areas of how questions are being framed in combination. This is a past question. A business outfit want to employ 8 new members of staff. Then of the 17 graduate applicant, which means 17 people have presented their application, they need only 8 of them. Out of that 17, 7 were engineers, 6 were accountants, and 4 are secretaries. So in how many ways can they be selected? Then the condition comes. 1, if there are no restriction. There is no restriction. It simply means that we don't have criteria on any of the individual positions. I may put it that way. It means they can decide to employ all the 7 engineers and employ 1 secretary. We need 8 people. There is no restriction. They can sack all the 8 secretaries and pick 1 from here, pick 7, pick 6, pick 1. There's no restriction. It means at the end of everything, they just need to select 8 people from the 17 graduates with no restriction. Anybody at all can be selected. That is how the first one is going to be. So in this case, if no restriction, it means that anyone. Now the 8 applicants. 17 applicants can be what? Selected. That's the meaning of that. So any of them, we are looking for 8. So that means that, therefore, what are we looking for? Number of ways becomes, I'm having 17 applicants, I need 8. So 17 combination 8. And in this, because we are having this being big, we can also have the difference between the 2. That will be 5, which will still be a large number. So I'll put that in my calculator to have the answer. 17 combination 8. And that will give you 24,310 ways. So this is the various ways by which, if there's no restriction, the chances of selecting people is going to be 24,310. All right. Then let's look at the second aspect, if that is understood. If not, leave a comment in the comment section. At least 4 accountants are included. So here another restriction. This year there's a restriction on the number of people they want to select. So it means 4 accountants will be selected at all costs. And these 4 accountants will be selected from where? From 6 of them. 6 people selecting 4. And if we are able to select all the 4, then it means that we are left with extra 4 people to be selected from what? The remaining, this is 6. 6 from 17. That will leave us 11. Meaning we need to select extra 4 people regardless of their portfolio, whether they are going to be secretary or engineers. 4 of them will be selected for the remaining people. I guess that is okay. Because of space, I might not be writing inscriptions. I'll go straight forward with the combination as I said earlier on. So it means at least, meaning 4, all the 4 will be selected, right? So 4 or more, meaning 5 of them can be selected. So 4 from the 6 people and 4 from the remaining, or 5 from the 6 people and the remaining, or 6 of them. They say at least. So this at least simply means that, let me just say, number of ways. Pardon me, because of space, I don't have enough space. If not, I have to clean this part of it. So I'm going forward to 4, picking from 6. So 6 combination 4, giving rise to the selection whereby 4 accountants to be inside. So if there are 4 accountants, then we have to select 6 from 17 will be 11. So I'll be left with 11 people, from which I need to select 8 minus 4. That will be 4. So the first selection, if that is what we are looking for, 4 accountants will be there. So it means 4 accountants from the 6 of them and 4 other positions from the 11 remaining. That's an instance. Or there is a chance that I'm looking for at least. So it means that I am going to select 5 people from 6 accountants. 5 accountants from 6 accountants, and I'll be left with what? 11, right? This is going to be 11 people are left. How many are left for me to select? I'll be left for 3 to select. Did you get that one? Maybe I didn't write the inscriptions, but I'm sure you are following. This at least means that the least number of accountants should be selected should be 4 or more. So 4 accountants can be selected, 5 can be selected, 6. We can't select 7 because there are only 6 of them that present their application. So 4 can be selected, or 5 can be selected, or we can also select 6 accountants from 6 of them. If that is done, then it means we are left with 11 people from which we are to select what? 2. I don't know if that is also clear. The other positions have no restriction. So anybody at all can be selected. So if I pick 6 from 6, then the number of applicants reduced from 17 to what? 11. Then in that 11, how many of them am I going to employ to make up the 8 people? That is only 2. So 2 plus this, 8. 3 plus this, 8. 4 plus this, 8. So that makes sense for the selections. So now, because of space also, we are going to put these ones in our calculator to generate their values. So 4 combination, I think it will be 6 combination 4, that will be giving you 15. So I have 15 times. Then I should have 11 combination 4, that will be 330 plus, I should come here, this is going to be 6. I guess. So 6 combination 5, that will be 6 times this right here, 11 combination 3, right? 165 plus 6 combination 6 will be 1. Then 11 combination 2 should be 55. Right? So we multiply this, and this, we add them together to know the total number of ways by which we can be able to select at least what? 4 accountants to be included. So let's pick it from here. 15 times 330. Let me add all at once so that we can be able to. Okay, so this become 4950. Let's add all of that. And that will be giving us 5995. So let me just say ways. So these are the various ways by which we can easily select that committee where at least 4 of them will be accountants. Now let's fast forward to the C aspect. So C is saying that 3 engineers and 2 accountants. So N here is multiplication. Without going through a lot of illustrations, I can say that number of ways of selection is going to be, so the selection is going to be 3 engineers. How many engineers do we have altogether? There are 7 of them. So 7, we are picking 3. If I am done, I need extra more to make it up to 8. So and I should select 2 of the accountants. I think the spelling is accountant. 2 of the accountant, and in the space of the accountant, we also have what? 6. So if it is 6, it means 6 of them available. I am picking only 2. That is not up to 8. So and now let's come back to where we are. We have selected 17 people are available we have taken 7, 5, 6, all together give us what? 13. So 17 minus the 13 to give us what? 4. It means we are left with 4 people left, which we can think of selecting from them. Then in selecting from these 4, we need to know how many we are to select from them. This is 3 plus 2, which is 5. But we are looking for 8. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So it means that 4 people, we are selecting only 3. That means 4 combination word 3. Now, explaining this again is that since there is no inscriptions further to explain this, I have to make it the explanation again. We need 3 people to be engineers, and in that 3 people, we are choosing from 7 of them. They are engineers are 7, which present the applications that we are looking for. Then we need to select 2 accountants, and in the selection of accountants, we need to go into the applications of those who presented the application for accountant. So there are 6 of them, so we can choose 2 from the 6. After selecting these 2, what is left is that I need extra 3 people to make my overall selection of 8 people, which means we have to go back into the remaining people. And adding these 2 together, giving you 13, means that we need extra 4 people are left, which have no chances of selection. And those 4 people, the chance of selection is that I am selecting 3 of them only from there. And that gives us all this. Remember, we are multiplying because we need all of them to be together as 8. There is no chances of either this or that. All of them need to be together to make the 8 selections that you are looking for. Alright, so if that is the case, we can put this in our calculator since we don't have enough of the space. This will be 7 combination 3, right? And that will give us 35. This will be 6 combination 4, and that will be 15. This will be 4. If well, yeah, this will be 4. So now 35 times 15 times 4, that will give us 2,100 ways. There are 2,100 ways of what? Selecting those options whereby 3 engineers will be included and 2 accountants will be included. Alright. What do we do next? The last one is the D column there. What did they say? Either 5 engineers or 3 secretaries. So let's begin the first one. Either 5 engineers. So if that is the case, then our number of ways. Let me begin with 5 engineers. 5 engineers. How many engineers presented the application? There are 7 of them. Which means that either 7 combination what? 5. If I am selecting representing only these 5 engineers. I've taken 5 engineers from the 7 of them. What is next? I need a total of what? 8 people to employ from the 17 of them. Which means that after selecting 5, I am left with 3. And that 3 will be selected from any of the portfolios. So it means after 7 is taken from 17, left with 10. It means I'll be left with 10 people from which I need to select 3. Based of 5 engineers alone. Leave the order. 5 engineers. If I take 5 engineers, then it means that the remaining 3 people should be coming from the secretary or the accountant. And there are 10 of them left, which I need to take only 3, making it 8 people. That's the instance. Or, if I really take this criteria, or means addition. So this, or I should be selecting 3 secretaries, which the secretaries from the beginning was 4, which means that I still have 4 combination 3. Then we take away 4 from 17. We should be living with what? 11 people, right? 11? No, 13 people. So 13 people are left to select, and in that 13 people, I only need 5 of them. So 13 combination what? 5. So that in each instances, I should have 8 people being selected. 8 people being selected, and they are in the pool of 17 people available. 17 people what? Available. Okay. So what do? I can put this in the calculator direct, since we have explained how to expand the combination formula already. So this is going to be 7 combination 5, right? And that is 21 in the case of this. So multiplying 10 combination 3, right? 10 combination 3, 120, plus, in the case of this, it should be 4. Then 13 combination 5 will also be 1, 2, 8, what? 7. Alright, because I don't want to clean the other side, I am going to put all of them together and have the final answer 21 times 120 plus we have 4 times 1, 2, 8, what? 7. That should be giving you something 7,668 various ways by which that applicant of 8 people can be selected if it is either 5 engineers or 3 what? Secretaries. Now, if you take your time to watch the videos, I know it is going to be a little bit lengthy, but take your time and follow through. Try to understand each of the steps taken, then your understanding will be clearer for you. Like this video after watching, share the video with somebody who might also need this information. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet, and if you do, click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when the video is uploaded. Comment is necessary. Leave something for me to know your thoughts. Thanks for watching.